get ready with me for a beach day in EOS. Let's go. So we arrived this afternoon in EOS and we've done literally nothing. Johnny and I made the collective decision of not sleeping before coming to EOS and just sleeping on the boat, which kind of failed miserably.
Oh, nice.
We're gonna go to the beach now and stay there probably till sunset. My pimple is still there. Every time I get a pimple, I always think of that one episode from Wizards of Waverly Place where Justin has a pimple on his forehead and Alex turns the pimple into a talking face. If you know, you know.
I'm right here!
I love having rosy red lips and this gives me like the perfect color. Like I don't even know how to describe it.